So, what is up, everybody? I got approached on Instagram about 2 weeks ago. Somebody I've been friends with, well, that I've followed on Instagram for a while now, actually asked me to do like I guess not a review, but like an unboxing and to try out their clothing brand. It is called 17th and Granville, and you could look that up on Instagram. But it's basically just an LGBTQIA plus and black owned clothing brand that one of my friends on Instagram runs. And this person wants, I guess they go by they and she, so I'm gonna call them they and be respectful. I guess they just want to be more inclusive of black LGBTQIA plus individuals in clothing brands and in businesses and stuff like that. So they just want to be more inclusive. They want us to have more representation, which I completely agree with. So I decided to do a little unboxing of their clothes. So I got sent some clothes, and I want to do, like I said, a little unboxing. It shows the it doesn't say Granville, but it shows the logo, the 17th in Granville. I think I got in here 2 shirts, a hoodie, and a beanie. So let's do the unboxing. Well, not unboxing, but unwrapping. So I wanna say to my friend, thank you for giving me this opportunity to try out your stuff and to help represent LGBTQ folks of color, all LGBTQ folks and stuff like that. So yeah, I like to be a part of something. I like to, represent. I think we should have more representation in the media, even though it's getting better. Things are getting better in the media with showing us as how we are and not a stereotype type thing. But I feel that these clothing brands that people are making and that people are running that are owned by LGBTQ folks and black folks and colored folks and people of all different types of backgrounds and cultures and diversity really helps. Even if it's like a small clothing brand, every little bit of them helps represent us. And this is for people who are in the LGBTQ community and people who aren't, who are just allies and who want to help us be more represented in the community, in the world, in media. So yeah, so I'm gonna pull this one out. This one's the beanie. Is very nice. I can feel the material. It's really soft, and it shows the logo here too. I will actually open the beanie because I'm gonna do a short video on the quality of the clothing after I do this unboxing video, but I do want to at least show the logo so people can look it up and go shop there. It's not pricey compared to other places because usually beanies run you 20-30 bucks. This was 18. The shirts now run like 20-40 bucks, and it's about in that range, 20-40 bucks. And I believe the hoodie that I got was around 60, which is what I pay for hoodies. Good quality hoodies, I should say. So that's why I said I'm gonna also do a little review of the quality of the clothing. But like I said, I want to show this hat so I could show the logo, and I love the hat because it's one of those hats with like the lines, like the knitted hats. So it's really stylish. This is the logo, 17th and Granville. You can look them up on Instagram, like I said, I would first look them up on Instagram because it's a little easier to find them through there. That's how I found them. So yeah, one more time, let me show this. It's the 17th in Granville, and like I said before, we're just trying to be more inclusive of LGBTQ folks and representation in media and stuff like that. They have this pronoun shirt. I actually, you know what? Let me show everybody everything because, you know, this is what this video is for. So, yeah, let's open this shirt. And show it off. Show off the clothing. Wow, this is really nice. Yeah, I figured that the quality of the shirts and stuff would be really, really nice. And this is there for those that are out there. Little line that they have going on, but this is a pronoun tee. It has pronouns, and it also says on the back for those that are out there. I really like that because, I mean, again, it's showing representation of the LGBTQ community and, you know, acknowledging that we are out there, that we are here, that we do need to be included in different things, especially in mainstream media, I believe. But again, the logo, 17th and Granville. This shirt is one of the red essential tees that they have. I love the material of these t-shirts. Like, they're really soft and they're high quality. Like, to be honest, it seems like this is the type of stuff that I would get from, like, honestly, a Nike or Champ store, like in the mall, paying $40, $50, $60 for a t-shirt type stuff. It's very, very soft. It's very, very nice. The logo, the designs are nice. And not last but not least, this is the, for those that are out there, Pride Edition 2022 hoodie. So I want to show this. This is the little logo of the, for those that are out there, line that they have. And let's open it. I can already see that it's good material. It's good. It's made good. I don't know exactly who makes their hoodies and stuff, or who like makes the material out of them, but this is a really, really, really comfortable material, and I really, really like. I normally don't wear rainbow stuff, but this is something that I would proudly wear out, honestly. I wouldn't be, this is like, it's kind of like, it's, like I said, it's inclusive of LGBTQ folks, but is also inclusive of allies. And I believe that this is something that allies can also wear, you know, just to help represent. But yeah, so honestly, it's of course, like I said, look up 17th in Granville on Instagram. It's literally 17th/Granville. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of an unboxing. I will do a video talking about this a little bit more in a couple of days, once I wear the product and, you know, see how it fits and stuff like that. I'll let you guys know, like, how it fits, true to size, like comfortability, flexibility, stuff like that, because that's a lot of things that I look for in my clothing is, you know, comfortability, flexibility, how it fits, stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys one more time. This is the logo that you can look up on Instagram to order. It is 17th in Granville. I've said that a million times already, but that's the whole point. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm gonna do a video in the future about the quality, even though I can already tell the quality is very nice in these clothing. But yeah, that's it. Peace out, and represent, and go look it up at least. At least go look it up and check out the store and see what you like, because Like I said, this is really comfortable clothing, and it's a friend of mine that I've had on Instagram for a while. I've even followed their business page for a couple months here now. So yeah, peace.